Welcome back to the channel. Next up is this 2019 Cadillac CTS. It's in for a headlight change. We're gonna be swapping out the bulbs from the HIDs that come factory to a set of LED headlights we got from OXILAM. They sent me these lights and they wanted me to try them out. So we're gonna install them and see how they work. Instead of taking off the wheel, you can just turn the wheel and then take out your T15 screws. There's 3 that you saw in the video, and then there's 1 that was outside of the video. But I'll show you, I haven't popped it off yet. But you can see there is the light. We're gonna pop off that cover, and then we'll get the bulb out, and I'll show you the difference between the HID bulb and the LED one. Now that one is out, this cap, for future reference, just twists off. And then I already got the bulb out. You'll twist the bulb, the actual transmitter or whatever this thing is. But just like a regular bulb, it just twists and unlocks out, and then your connector just wiggles out. Here's the new ones. So I'll go ahead and get those installed. bring you around and see if we can notice a difference in the front. Oh yeah, that's a lot more white than this one. See the yellow. All right, let's go ahead and get that driver's side swapped out. All right, that was quick, easy. It was a little tight in there, but completely possible. Other videos I've seen, taking off the wheel, all kinds of other stuff to get down there. No reason. Remember, it's a T15 that you need. Hey, look at that. I left the light under there. And there is, I'll wipe that off. The other screw is right there. And then there are your other three. Pop those out. This one, wipe some of that dust off of there. This one here, you have to lift the fabric liner up over, and then you just push this down and it'll kind of bow out of the way. And it is completely doable, just like this. Just turn your wheel in. Like I said, quick and painless. Video wasn't too long. If you've stuck around this long, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that bell, turn on notifications. Go ahead and like this video for me if you don't mind. All right, everyone. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching.